The roof design we're taken on the house that we're building is on the same basis as the roof design on our rest house. If you see, I mean, the objective of this, keeping it simple, keeping it strong, keeping it sturdy, so it takes the test of time. Obviously this is just a scale for a little hut, a rest house hut, but the same principles of the roof design are exactly the same for the house. So here we have the front of the house where the steep, short element of the roof, which needs more timber for the centre section, which is coming now this week. And then we have the longer section of the roof in the back here. Okay, where the long stretch is. Now guttering will be on both the front and on the back. And I intend to water harvest here for the garden, so that's going to happen. I'm going to give you a little bit more of the detail of that inside the house. Okay, this centre section is going to be obviously covered last. So I want to make the point here. This is the height of this is the ground, the floor level. So here, this is where we've got the bathroom and the kitchen area, and because it's going to have a lot of heavy equipment in it, we're going concrete up to this level, the same level as the timber floor level, which is going to be coming all the way. So across this whole area, this is also going to be timber flooring raised to this height. So this area here is also going to be filled up with gravel and concrete to give the floor. The kitchen is going to be this area here, going down to where Richie is basically standing now, across and round. Okay, that's the basics. Obviously we're going to get you into the depth of talking you through it as we put it together. The journey on this property is the fun in the building it, the designing of it, the sourcing the raw materials for it, particularly the timbers, the bamboo. There's going to be a combination of bamboo timber completion internally and externally. We're even using wood off the property in some areas that we cut. Some trees that are going as well. A little more depth in the flooring. A couple of people have asked about flooring. Obviously, budget permits, we would put an expensive mahogany floor down or something like that. We've got mahogany being used in some areas, but in some areas we're just going to be using, you know, wood, coconut wood, and plyboard in certain cases as well, for some of this. But it's a solid construction. The point is we are looking at safety as well as and longevity as well as cost, and where it matters, of course, we're putting the key aspects of what the feature are for the property. But this is a house we're living in. You know, it's my dream to build a cabin in the jungle, and this is exactly what this is to a large degree. This is building a cabin in the jungle, in the tropics. I didn't want to build a state-of-the-art concrete block. I wanted to build a really nice, fashionable, trendy cabin that will stand the test of time. Good morning again. And it's now the next day from that last clip I've just shown you when I was talking about the house. No building work on it for the last couple of days because we've had the guys doing their other job. They're back today. Today is Thursday, the 27th or 28th? I can't remember. 27th, I just checked. So, let's see what sort of a day. It's early morning, it's just coming up to 6 a.m. And I just came down for a walk around and found 3 dogs walking around, 3 stray dogs. Not our dogs, not our compound dogs. 3 other dogs which have just gone the minute they saw me coming. So, but you know, with so much kit coming in and out of here at the moment, these things are appearing. Poppy and Izzy. Something new, and suddenly they're interested in it. What? It's just a load of rubbish dumped here from the cutting back some of the trees on the side. Well, the next task is we've got to just get the timber frame finished in the central section. There's some finished frame. We've got all supports now in place. So finishing off the roof supports. And then I think we're going to put the roof on next. And we've got some pillars to put in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, which are extending the exterior terrace actually, and which will link up to the top and go across, so that the terrace will be fully undercover as well. Yeah, great little cabin. A few of my students have asked me, do I miss city life? Absolutely not. Not one iota. Absolutely not. So, there's my answer.